Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the portable wireless Bluetooth speaker that we have in front of us. We're looking at the top surface with an imagery of the Bluetooth speaker itself, along with some of the features being summarized at the bottom. On the next surface, we get to see which design we're going to get on the inside. This has a little camo look. On the rear, you have the exact same features that we saw, just a slightly different arrangement, and you also get a layout of the controls. And the last surface gives you a little compatibility matrix of all the devices and form factors that are compatible with this Bluetooth portable speaker. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. Keep this on the side. So you have the Bluetooth speaker itself and a charging cable. The charging cable happens to be about, let's see, 30 centimeters in length once it's folded over. And it's USB type A to USB, micro USB rather. So this is quite common. You will have a lot of chargers on hand that use this particular interface. Then we'll come to the speaker itself. You can see the camo look that we saw on the packaging. It's got a nice cloth coating that goes all around. Feels quite nice to the touch. On the bottom, you have foam to sort of absorb shock. This will also help with removing minor reverberation noises that can arise if this were to be a hard surface. And on the top, you have a little loop to hang the speaker. And then you have the controls. There's volume low, volume high, play, pause, mute, and then power on off. And there's also a little cavity that can be accessed by pulling the flap, inside of which you can see the micro USB charging port, the micro SD card slot, Type A USB slot, and a 3.5mm jack on the far right side. That's it for this particular unboxing of the portable wireless speaker. If you'd like us to do similar unboxings of audio products in the future, please do stay tuned. Thank you for watching.